Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Ethereum from your Arculus wallet to a Tangem wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this process has gotten even more user-friendly, but it's still crucial to handle it carefully to avoid any mishaps. Whether you're switching wallets for better security or just managing your assets, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus and Tangem wallets set up and updated to the latest 2025 versions. This ensures compatibility and the best security features. Remember, cryptocurrency transfers are irreversible, so always double-check your details to prevent losses. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app on your device and log in using your secure authentication method, like a PIN, biometrics, or hardware key. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your Ethereum holdings. Look for the Assets or Portfolio section, select Ethereum, and then tap on the Send or Transfer button. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Copy and paste the address from your Tangem wallet. Double-check it for accuracy, as even a small typo could send your ETH to the wrong place. Step 4. Specify the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to Ethereum's upgrades, so review the estimated costs before proceeding. Step 5. Hit the Review button to see a summary of your transaction, including the amount, fees, and destination address. Take a moment to verify everything looks correct. Step 6. If all is good, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features, and then it will broadcast to the Ethereum blockchain. Once sent, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Tangem wallet to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. A quick tip: always use the Ethereum mainnet for these transfers and keep an eye on gas fees to save money. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly move your Ethereum in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.